I'm Biker Jim. I'm going to show you how we make an El Jalapeno cheddar sausage with cream cheese, caramelized onions, all the things you like. So I bought my first cart from a guy in Boise. Apparently the cream cheese dog was a big thing in Seattle at the time. So when I got the cart from him, he gave me some coolers, some umbrellas, and this really cool cream cheese caulking gun. What's cool about the cream cheese caulking gun is you can lay out a whole lot of cream cheese in a short period of time. It's very consistent. You get the same amount every time. It's just cool. Many people have guns, but this one is mine. So caramelized onions, if you've traditionally made caramelized onions, you chop your onions, you put them in a pan, a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter, cook it low and slow until all the natural sugars come out of the onions. And you can spend an hour making a nice pan of caramelized onions, an hour and a half. We don't have that kind of time. So what I do is I take the sliced onions, I throw them into a hot pan and throw in a can of Coke. And keep an eye on it closely. It's almost like making risotto because within 15, 20 minutes, you've got some of the most beautiful caramelized onions that you've ever wanted to see. But I caution you, don't let it get too dry because there's a fine line between caramel and carbon. We're doing one of our signature dogs. We're doing an El Jalapeno cheddar sausage. So just like the bacon brat, we keep it hot in a boiler, pull it out, put it on the grill, butterfly it. We don't go all the way through. We butterfly it and spread it out on the grill. This allows us to char the thing up in like 45 seconds. We can cook a lot of hot dogs in a short period of time that way. You might want to do that at home too, because this way you're not having a burned outside and a cold inside of a hot dog. So it just cooks evenly all the way through and quickly. The nice thing about that trough is when we break out our cream cheese caulking gun, we can run a bead of cream cheese right down the middle of it. And just kind of makes a nice place to put all of our toppings. This one we put on cream cheese, caramelized onions, pickled red onions, pickled jalapenos. We put on some cheddar cheese because why not more cheese? And then we added crunched potato chips on that thing to add that salty, fatty, crunchy, everything you've wanted on a hot dog your whole life. That's what we just made.